Hey campers, Josh, Valley RV Supercenter here to show you the new 2025s are rolling in. This is the perfect time to save money on the beautiful 2024s. Don't miss a beat. When they're gone, they're gone. Thousands of savings. Don't want to miss out. But hey, look what we've got right here. Not only savings, this is Randy Hipple, our one and only sales manager at Valley RV Supercenter, and he's going to tell us why you should buy here.
Yeah, guys, there's a lot of freebies that come with purchase here at Valley RV Supercenter. We make sure there are no hidden fees whatsoever. So when you purchase an RV, you get a complete walkthrough with a certified technician showing you how everything works. We fill up your propane, you get a brand new battery and box, and just the complete peace of mind knowing we've gone through the RV for free. You don't have to pay additional, which some dealerships do. So when you're shopping for an RV, ask about the pre-delivery inspection, PDI. It's very important that you guys know what you're getting and that it's been gone through, because these guys travel cross country before they even get here on our lot. So there's a lot of shakedown, twists and turns. So just a really important thing to look at. This is another front cap that's a little bit different for 2025 with a brand new floor plan for the Jayco lineup. So tons and tons of changes, guys. Come and check us out here at Valley RV Supercenter. Go Jayco.
And for any questions, comments, give Josh a call at 253-737-2082. I'm here to help you go camping.